Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll be introducing you to derivative or differentiation of trigonometric function. Now, it's a very simple topic. All right, in this class, I will introduce you to it, solve questions, and it's part 2 of this series will solve more challenging questions. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, some of the things that you just saw, some of the basic stuff that you need to know regarding derivative is, we'll write it this way, function and what the derivative. Now, the derivative of sine theta or sine x is what? Cos x. Let's use x. All right. Right. The derivative, if you are given a function, for example, you are given a function like this, and you are asked to look for the derivative. This is the derivative. Why? For cos x, the derivative is actually what? Negative what? Sine what? X. Okay. Now, for tan x, let me change this, x. Now, for tan x, the derivative is actually what? Sec square x. All right? This derivative. Why? For cot x, please take note of this thing is empty as actually what? Secant. All right? The sec that you are seeing here is actually what? Secant. So it's empty as secant what? Square x. Okay? Why for cot x? The derivative is actually what? Negative what? All right? X. Now this is the same thing as what? Cosecant. Square what? X. Right? We have sec. The derivative of what? Sec s. Remember, sec. Sec is what? Secant. All right? So the derivative of what? Sec x is actually what? Sec what? X tan x. Why the last one, which is the last basic one, which is what? We have, okay, which is this, cosecant. The derivative of cosecant what? X is actually represented in this format with just x. The derivative of this is actually what? Negative what? Cosecant what? X. Please take note of some of these basic stuff is very important. And what? Cot what? X. So once you understand this basis, this is what you use for what? Looking for derivative of what? More complex what? Questions. For example, if I ask, for example, that find the derivative of what? 5 what? Sine x. What will you do? It is simple. Sine s, the derivative of sine s is what? Cos what? X. So it's the same thing as what? 5 cos what? X. So derivative of what? 5 sine s is what? 5 what? Cos what? X. What about if I now ask you to look for what? The derivative of, for example, let's change this question. 5 sine x minus, let's see, 9 cos what? X. You are now asked to look for the derivative of this. What will you do? It is still very simple, right? Now, we know that, first of all, put this 5, just where you put the 5 there, put this 5 here, okay? Now, the next thing, what is the derivative of what? Sine s. Sine s is what? Cos what? X. So we now have what? Cos x. Okay? After that, put your minus sign here. Okay? Then put your 9 here. Okay? What's the derivative of what? Cos x. Cos x is what? Negative what? Sine what? X. So we'll put in bracket. Negative what? Sine x. Okay? Now, We now have two negative signs here, and we know that if you use this to multiply this, what will it give you? 5 cos x. If this negative sign multiplied with this negative sign, what will it give you? Plus 9 what? Sine what? X. So it's a very simple concept. Now, I want you to attempt this. It's just a very simple question. I'll have to use this, all right? Or let me use this. Remember, tan x is what? Sec square what? X, okay? So let me use this and this. So if I ask you, for example, to look for what derivative of what? This is an assignment question. 7 tan x minus, or let me use addition in this case, plus, let's pick cot, or let's pick what? Cot. Remember, we have sine as this, cos as this, tan as what? This, cot as what? Negative what? Cosecant what? X. So let's just pick a simpler one. So cot. All right. So let's say plus 5 cot what? X. So look for the derivative of this simple question and drop it in the comment section. In the part 2 of this video, we'll be solving more questions, including what chain rules and others. All right. Thank you for watching.